Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you on how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So Etsy is a global online market where people can come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. So in order to sell on Etsy, you need to first make a free account. First, let's open up our browser and search for Etsy. But if you want to become a seller, let's try and search for become a seller on Etsy. So once you're here on the Etsy page, just click sign in. And here you go. You need to input an email and a password if you already have an account. But let's register and continue using our Google account for easier process. And here you go. You now have an Etsy seller account. Now we are here on Etsy and we want to sell a digital planner. So for inspiration and for prices, let's go ahead in the search bar and search for digital planner. As you can see here, there are many variations and many products and sellers that sells digital planners. So let's find a digital planner for inspiration. Let's see this one, Undated Digital Planner. So as you can see, it has a listing of photos and PDFs, and it showcases the design of the digital planner. So in order for you to sell a product just like this, you need to make one. So you need to design your own digital planner in order to sell on Etsy. So what you need to do is go to Canva. Make sure that you make a free account on Canva. It's just easy. You can also log in through your email or through your Google. So make a free account on Canva. And in order to do a design like this, go to create a design and choose A4 document because we want to make a PDF and upload it on Etsy and sell it, right? So let's make an A4 document design. In here in Canva, there are many templates already done. You can just choose among those templates or you can make your own. But I suggest it's easier to choose a design or a template and just redesign it on what you want. So when you search here, digital planner, there are many templates that you can choose to. But let's go back to the Etsy site and let's see. There is a monthly planning calendar. Now we want to design a monthly calendar. Now go ahead to Canva and search monthly calendar. As you can see, there are many designs here. You can choose minimalistic designs and the color palettes that you want, right? Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. This is a green, a plant-like theme. So it's the month of April. You want to change it to April 2023 and just tweak it, design it what you want, change the date or whatsoever. And also you can just add another design. If you don't like this one, you can choose another one among the templates. Let's try this one. So this is a more minimalistic vibe, but still you want to incorporate plants on your design because you want a green vibe or an earth design, right? What you need to do is go to elements and then search for plants and then click the see all on the graphics, and here you go. There are many elements that you can add to your design. Let me choose one like this. So you can edit it, minimize it, whatever you want. I'm just gonna put it just like this for a minimalistic vibe. So you can edit more to your design, and if you want to add more planners, April, May, June, and July, just go to the owner of the template and you can see many designs just like it, and you can just copy the design you have on April. So another one is you need to make a weekly planner. So you just search back to designs and search weekly planner and choose a weekly planner design. And you still want to incorporate plants or green stuffs on your design, just go back to elements and in your graphics and search for the design that you want to add to your weekly planner. So I'm just going to choose this one, and let me try and choose another design that I will put above the planner, and I'm going to put it just like this. And lastly, I'm going to design at the left bottom. So that's it. You now have a plant theme like planners. So what you need to do is post this on Etsy, right? So make sure to download this design. Before you download it, rename it into, let's say, planner, and then you click share and you click download, and make sure you download it as a PDF standard. So it's gonna start downloading it and it will be on your computer right now. So when you go back to your Etsy dashboard to create a listing, you need to add photos for your listings. So you need to go back to your Canva and download your designs as a PNG. For you to do that, just click share again, download, and download as a PNG. And it will be downloaded as compressed, so you need to extract it first. So now let's go back to our dashboard, and in our create a listing, we need to add the photos of our products. So just click add photo and then add your first design, the primary one. So when you click that, you're gonna need to add the another photo, let's say the weekly planner. So you need to adjust the thumbnail of your primary photo. This is what the buyers will see on your dashboard or the item. So I'm just gonna adjust it just like this and click save. And once you're done with that, you can also add a video and just fill out the listing details up until the end and just click save and continue. But if you want to add more designs, more planners to your product, you can just click the plus button here and then select from the templates here, or you can just copy the pages here and edit it more. And that's it. That is how you can easily make a digital planner for you to sell on Etsy. You just need to learn how to use Canva and navigate the Etsy listing dashboard. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you click the like button, subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.